Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur ce 6e épisode de l'aventure Enderal. Donc la dernière fois on n'a pas fait grand chose. On avait juste eu le temps d'aller voir Taylor à Ranteal. Après l'épreuve qui doit faire en sorte de nous faire devenir des gardiens pour accéder au Saint-Ordre. Après ça, on avait passé une journée dans la ville à se balader, à pas faire grand chose, à visiter le musée, les bâtiments, à essayer de s'occuper. Et le soir, on avait rendu visite à Gespard, qui... En fait, on pensait qu'il était parti, mais apparemment, Constantin veut le faire réintégrer le Saint-Ordre pour poursuivre sa quête.
Finally, come with me.
Eh bien, allez-y.
As you wish.
Donc là, on va voir Théalor à Ranteal pour ce qu'ils appellent l'exaltation, je crois. Donc c'est une espèce de formalité. On va devoir prêter serment sur le Saint-Ordre afin de devenir un gardien.
Climb the stairs. Go to the statue and speak with the Grand Master. No idle talking, no stupid gazing. Right?
Oui, très bien.
Very well. The entire third and fourth sigils are gathered in there, so show some respect. And now, walk blessed, brother.
Il y a déjà Kalia.
It is time. Come forward, prophet. I know what you are feeling. Mistrust. For it is the first time in the history of the Order that a stranger will receive the holy consecration. You consider it a treason against our charter, and therefore against us all. And indeed, it is true that traditions have strengthened the Order. We have ruled this land for millennia, and for millennia we have prevailed. And I know that what happened 2 years ago has unsettled you. Yes, we are in a crisis. Yes, our foundation seems to be shattered. And now you believe that I profane even what little is left by consecrating a pathless one. But you are wrong. It was always people who have given strength to the Order. People like you and me. Yes, we did serve the Lightborn, but because they embodied an idea. The idea of peace through stability. And even now, after their demise, we will pursue this idea. We are facing a threat that endangers the world as we know it. And to fight it, we need one thing above all others, the readiness to make sacrifices for the greater good. This man, like Novice Sakarish, has shown this readiness. He is talented and has a gift, and thus carries responsibility. But instead of running from this responsibility, he faced it and found us. Consecrated ones, repeat my words. This is the day when my old me dies away. For today, I receive the sigil.
C'est le jour où mon ancienne vie s'efface. Aujourd'hui, je reçois le sceau.
This is the day when my old me dies away. For today I receive the sigil.
From now on, I live to protect, by sword and mind, the path, my land, and those who are without strength.
À présent, je dédie ma vie à protéger, par mon épée et mon esprit, la voie, ma contrée et tous ceux qui seront sans défense.
From now on I live to protect, by sword and mind, the path, my land, and those who are without strength.
Until death absolves me from my duty.
Seule la mort pourra me délivrer de mon serment.
Until death absolves me from my duty.
Thus, you are elevated to keepers of the first sigil. Rise. Now let us all recite the holy words. Thou art my light, my glimmer at the horizon. Thy name is my sacrament, and thy path I will honor, in life as in death.
May your light guide me.
Leave now, brothers and sisters, and rest. We will need our strength. Go and get your armor at the Temple's Forge. After that, meet me in the Emporium. There's news.
Oh, du nouveau. Vous avez parlé de sceau, mais qu'est-ce que c'est exactement?
Ranks. After a novice has passed the trial, he is raised into the first sigil, and over the course of years, if he proves to be worthy, into higher ranks, up to the fourth sigil, which is held by the Truchessa and the Grandmaster, me.
D'accord. Donc je suis un gardien de l'ordre maintenant?
Of the first sigil, yes. Our masters will teach you, our smiths will equip you. That is all that I wanted.
Parfait. Je vous dis à bientôt alors.
Walk blessed.
Yeah, as if.
Alors,
And that's it. It feels strange.
quoi, d'être un gardien?
Yes, kind of. You know, for the past 7 years, I have lived for this moment. And now I'm here. It's peculiar. Anyhow, let's talk when there's something new to talk about. Walk blessed, brother.
Merci.
Oh shit. I have to remember that.
Alors, où est-ce qu'il faut qu'on aille? On va aller récupérer la tunique de gardien dans la forge du temple.
Greetings.
Walk blessed.
Succès déverrouillé, gardien du Saint-Ordre. Hé hé.
Hello.
Pas des cheveux, toi? Oh, peut-être pas. Alors, est-ce que vous avez du nouveau à me vendre? Le grand maître m'a dit que je pourrais recevoir une armure ici.
Ah, right. The highly debated new keeper. You'll certainly have caused some uproar. I'll give you that. So, robes, mail, or plate?
Bah, le meilleur, en plate.
Fine, here you go. And no matter what you think of all this, wearing this armor is an honor. Get that into your head. Most of us had to wait decades for it.
Autrement, j'aimerais bien... Non, non, non. J'ai déjà regardé ce que j'ai reçu. Oh. Oh, oh. Alors ça, c'est pas mal du tout. Magnifique. On est des gardiens de l'ordre maintenant. Donc là on va à l'Emporium, on retrouve Théalor, et puis on voit ce qu'il veut nous dire. C'est bien ça, on retourne à l'Emporium. Dans l'Emporium, c'est ça.
Pass beyond me.
Well met.
Of course they have. You know how these bureaucrats are. But they will do it.
Very good. Thanks for your efforts, my friend.
Don't mention it. I just hope you know what you're doing. You know, Many see the course the Order has taken since you came back as disquieting. Narazul's mages in the temple, an outlander as a keeper. It's a lot to take in.
I know, Jorik, but someone has to deal with the threat. And if we don't, no one will.
Yes, I suppose you're right.
Prophet, did you find your way around?
Eh ben, ouais. Oui, oui, je suppose.
Good. It is important that you get adjusted to this place. It will be the base of all operations to come.
Moi, j'ai déjà fait le tour.
Right now, we are still in the dark as to the true nature of this cycle. All we have are fragments, but we will change that. There are 2 trails we have found. I want you to go after both of them.
À quoi vous pensez?
The first one has to do with the stone fragments from Old Rashengrad. Pegast has not yet told you, but all of them together form a so-called sigil stone, which we urgently need. The Arcanists have already put it together, but we still lack a part of the ritual to activate it. And for that, we need the memory of a dead person. The second trail revolves around a discovery we made in the Heartland. It could be a significant, if not the only prospect we have in this fight. Where do you want to start?
On va commencer avec la pierre, je pense. Mais pourquoi est-ce qu'on en a besoin?
It's simple. I've told you that the Pyreans knew about the cycle, and that they too battled it before they vanished. The Sigil Stone was a magical defense they created to protect themselves from the Red Madness.
Protéger comment?
Through small fragments that segregate once a certain ritual is performed on it. Wear one of these fragments and it will serve you like a shield for your spirit. The stone won't produce enough for all citizens of Ark, but enough for all of us keepers and the guard. The problem is that we lack knowledge about this ritual, and those who have it have been dead for millennia.
Donc c'est pour ça qu'on a besoin de la mémoire d'un mort?
Correct. The entire plan revolves around a discovery which is exhibited in the Chronicum. The frozen corpse of a Pyrean, which a fisherman found adrift in the Northern Sea some years ago.
Et d'une manière ou d'une autre, on doit accéder à ses souvenirs, c'est ça?
Yes, the ice prevented his body from decaying. But go to the Chronicum and speak to Archmagister Maragil. He will be able to explain it better than I can.
Ça a l'air d'être une sacrée entreprise quand même. Parler à un mort? Ou en tout cas, lui soutirer des souvenirs? C'est assez ambitieux. Peut-être qu'il y a un rituel pour s'infiltrer à l'intérieur de sa mémoire. Ah oui. Alors, la parole des morts. Parler à l'archimagistère Merayil dans le sous-sol du Chronicum. C'est du Shari là.
Huh?
Salut.
Now look at that. It's the Prodigy.
Est-ce que vous en savez plus sur les mercenaires de l'ancien Rashengrad?
Not much. We haven't yet heard from the keepers old Aranthiel sent overseas, but their armory and weapons seem to belong to an order of mercenaries who normally operate in Nerem or Kira. We'll see.
D'accord. Salut.
Yes?
Pourquoi est-ce que vous dites toujours Kirash? C'est pas Kiranien ça?
Yes, it is. Master Tyrus, my foster father. He was half Kyranian, as you might have guessed already. Some words just stuck around.
Je vois. Alors, à bientôt.
You.
Oui.
I heard you passed the trial without going to the novitiate. Congratulations, I guess. The Grand Master must think highly of you. You. Good to see you.
Eh ben, merci.
Huh? Oh, hey.
Salut.
So what's so spectacular about this?
Oh,
Our
j'espère.
pal here looks like your average crypt corpse.
Well, he isn't. Do you see this marking on his forehead? That's a symbol of the Ashian, one of the two priest castes who reigned over the Pyrean Empire like the Lightborn did over Vin. He was no high priest, but more than an acolyte. Let's just hope he participated in the manufacture of the sigil stone back in the Pyrean era.
Well, hoping can't hurt. But look, we have company.
Oui.
Dalvarek, Archmagister, how's the situation?
Walk blessed, Grandmaster. We're fine. Everything is ready. So this is him?
Yes, this is the Prophet.
Interesting. Truly interesting. I imagined you to be different. I'm Lexiel Marigil, Archmagister of the Holy Order. Pleased to make your acquaintance. So, where do we start? Has the Grandmaster already informed you of the goal of this mission?
Eh ben, oui, à peu près. Donc, nous sommes supposés trouver un souvenir dans la tête de ce vieux Pyréen, parce qu'il connaît probablement les mots manquants d'un rituel.
Correct. Now you're wondering how will this be possible? This is where the word of the dead comes into play. An old relic we'll need to find.
The word of the dead? I thought that was a legend.
No, it exists. And we also know where. Just so you understand, the word of the dead is an artifact that allows entering a deceased person's mind to relive his last memories as if they were your own.
D'accord, c'est comme ça
And
qu'on
you
va
will
faire
do
alors.
just that with our frozen pal here. This is the grand plan, right?
Right. You'll need to locate the word of the dead, teleport the Pyrean's body to you, and then enter his thoughts. And there you'll have to look for the words of the ritual.
Ouais. Important du principe que d'une manière ou d'une autre, j'entre dans ses souvenirs. Qu'est-ce que je dois chercher exactement?
Well, we only lack the last words of this ritual. What you have to look for is an ornamental scroll, which looks just like the one on the drawing I'll give you in a moment.
D'accord.
All you have to do is remember the glyphs and the scroll, then write them down once you're back in the waking world.
Ouais, ok. Mais pourquoi est-ce qu'il y a besoin de mots pour ce rituel? Je pensais que la magie, enfin en tout cas la magie que je connais est plutôt silencieuse.
True, but we're talking about a different form of magic. It works similarly to the forbidden school of entropy.
Et comment est-ce que je suis censé me repérer dans ces souvenirs? Je parle pas du tout pyréen.
That's right, but the priest himself did. And according to the legend, this should allow you to understand.
Ah d'accord, ça marche comme ça. Eh bien, on va faire comme ça. Et où est-ce qu'on doit aller chercher pour trouver cette parole des morts?
Well, this is...
There's an old manor in Andrel's West that belongs to an old collector of artifacts. We received a tip that the word of the dead is in his possession.
Hang on. Are you talking about this odd fellow with the puppets? The aged man from the folk song?
I am.
Donc, on doit nous rendre au manoir et d'une manière ou d'une autre, lui prendre, enfin plutôt lui voler l'artefact.
You won't take it. It will be enough to find it. Use it on the Pyrean and then leave.
D'accord.
You will travel to the manor with Dalvarek, wait for nightfall, and then introduce yourself to the aged man as a fellow collector of artifacts. Then you will offer him this brooch, and if all goes well, he will offer you a quarter for the night to negotiate in the morning. Then it's all a matter of timing. Sneak out of your room, look for the word of the dead, and teleport the Pyrean to you.
D'accord, d'accord. Mais pourquoi est-ce qu'on a besoin d'être aussi secret? L'ordre ne peut pas juste forcer l'ancien et lui donner l'artefact?
A good question, but no. The aged man is special, so to speak. Even the Lightborn ordered us to let him live in peace. The Black Guardian knows why.
Les êtres de lumière,
if
carrément.
we have to trick him, we will at least do it inconspicuously, which is why you and the mercenary are well suited for the task. No one will connect your faces to the Holy Order.
Sauf si je porte l'armure du Saint-Ordre, peut-être. Et oui, qu'est-ce qu'on doit faire si quelque chose tourne mal?
Then you'll flee. There must be no violence, no matter what happens.
D'accord, d'accord. Et comment est-ce que je dois utiliser cette parole des morts sur le Pyréen?
Archmagister?
Yes, well, that is a good point. We don't know, because we don't even know what the artifact looks like. But how goes the saying? The proof of the eating is in the pudding.
We'll
D'accord.
manage somehow. And even if we don't, it definitely sounds like an adventure.
It's a great responsibility, be aware of that. But I have faith in both of you. Now get going as soon as you can. This mission will be fruitful. I can feel it.
Bon.
And there they go.
Alors, on y va?
Yep, just meet me at the Myrids Tower at the Western Cliff. I'll go grab my stuff now.
Ok. À tout de suite. Donc il est là-dedans, le Pyréen. On voit pas grand-chose.
Yes?
Vous n'êtes pas andréléen, n'est-ce pas? Vous avez un léger accent.
I do? Thought I had gotten rid of it by now. But yes, I'm originally from Nerim. Just like you, as I've heard.
Exact. Mais pourquoi ne me l'aviez-vous pas dit?
Oh, I don't know. Probably because I don't have very fond memories of my time there. You
Je
know,
peux comprendre.
if someone would have told you 20 years ago that one day I would be the Archmagister of the Holy Order, you'd have probably laughed in his face. It's absurd just to think of it. You know, I was a slave there.
Ah oui? Esclave?
Yes. You see, I was born into a traveling group of Aeterna minstrels. I never got to know my father, though, and living that way was hard. So my mother eventually decided to burn all bridges behind us and start over. Sorry, I'm babbling. I don't want to bother you with my boring stories.
Mais ça ne m'ennuie pas, arrêtez. C'est moi qui ai demandé, vous ne m'ennuyez pas du tout. Qu'est-ce qu'il est arrivé après votre départ?
Well, after some days on the road, we met a traveling merchant who gave us a ride to the next village. A small one named Sildren in the Salathan forest. It seemed almost perfect at the beginning. The place was quiet, and my mother found herself a job as a weaver in the local count's castle. One day, however, the count simply stopped paying her, and, well, when she asked for the reason, he told her that we were his property from that moment on. Just like that.
Comme ça. Il a fait de vous des esclaves, c'est possible. C'est bizarre.
Why wouldn't it be? We were just a woman and a young son, and he owned both the land and the local guard. We had to serve this Creole, that was the count's name, for 9 years. It was horrible.
Et personne n'est venu vous aider.
No, no one. We weren't the only slaves he kept, and the villagers were too afraid to do anything. As for Chancellor Baratheon's armies, well, I'd be surprised if they even knew Sildren existed.
Je suis navré pour vous. Comment est-ce que vous en êtes tiré?
Pure luck, I suppose. One day, an Endralean merchant and his escort passed through the village. They were on their way to Wave Rock to catch a ship from there. And just by coincidence, he saw me crushing some herbs I had found in the forest. That's what I did in the little spare time I had, you know. The Salathan forest is so incredibly rich with plants you have no idea. What I didn't know was that I had found an entire sheaf of God's tongue. That impressed the merchant so much that he simply bought me.
Et qu'est-ce qui s'est passé pour votre mère?
He left her there. Believe me, what he did had nothing to do with mercy. He just saw that there was money to be made off of me. I cried and protested, of course, but 2 months later, our ship arrived in Ark, where he got infected with flesh maggots and died shortly thereafter. Luckily enough, he was a Sublime. And since his relatives didn't know what to do with me once he was dead, they simply asked the Order to grant me the novitiate. Which they did. How they left path. Sounds crazy when I tell it like that. And it probably is. But back then, it just happened.
Et pour votre mère, est-ce que vous avez appris ce qui lui est arrivé?
I tried, but as you can imagine, my obligations made my options to do so very limited. Only recently, however, word reached me from a mercenary whom I sent over. According to him, Creo is dead, and his castle was deserted. But who knows if he just said that to appease me. I think when all of this is over, I might ask the Grandmaster for permission to travel there myself. And then, who knows? By the righteous path, now I really am babbling. I am sure a man like you has better things to do than listen to the stories of a boring old chronicler. I should probably get back to business. Forgive me.
Eh bien, je vous en prie, à bientôt. Aïe, aïe, aïe. Ils ont tous des histoires un peu horribles. Donc, qu'est-ce qu'on fait? Ouais, on va rejoindre Jespar. Je regarde si j'ai des habits qui passent un peu inaperçus. Tunique, ça c'est bien. Je vais essayer de récupérer des chaussures quand même.
What?
Je crois qu'il y avait un coffre par là. Ah, ici. Des chaussures. Parfait. Voilà, je pense que on aura besoin que de ça. Ah, salut Jespar.
Ah, there you are. Ready to go?
Qu'est-ce que vous avez fait pendant ce temps? Vous avez voyagé un peu avant de revenir ici?
Yeah, I did. Why do you ask?
Bah, parce que je m'intéresse à vous, un peu. Qu'est-ce qui vous a ramené en Enderal?
That's a good question. I suppose in the end, it was just a hunch I had. Plus, all these civil wars in other countries didn't exactly invite one to stay.
Dans quel pays est-ce que vous êtes allé?
Now, aren't you inquisitive?
Bah
Let
ouais.
me think. I spent most of my time abroad in Kira, and also a couple of years on the Isles of Kile. And there was this mission that led me to Maiar Aranath once.
Bon, je vais arrêter les
Keep
questions.
your chin up.
Qu'est-ce que vous pensez de tout ce qui se passe?
What, you mean the living dead, the Watirs everywhere, the frenzied civilians? I'd say this country's seen better times. But at least something happens. It makes this place less boring.
Bah, c'est bien, vous le prenez avec le sourire. Bon,
Wonderful.
allons-y.
Here, this is the place where the aged man's manor is supposed to be. Lead on. I'll follow you.
Alors. On doit prendre quoi comme chemin? Oh bah, c'est simple. On suit tout droit. C'est par là? Non, pas vraiment. Mais il n'y a pas de chemin ici.
Still alive? Good. Let's go. We shouldn't waste any more time.
J'espère.
Walk blessed, friend.
Suis-moi.
Where are you headed?
Putain, j'espère. Bouge ton cul. Tu me
Hein?
suis?
Keep your chin up.
So much to do, so little time.
Ah. Prépare-toi, j'espère. Hop. Peut-être que je peux améliorer certaines choses. Alors, nous c'était plutôt dans le mode guerrier. Carnage, brise, maître des lames. Soif de sang. Ah non, on s'en fout ça, les armes de main. Maître des lames. D'accord, les boutiques ouvrent à 8 h.
Ah,
Donc
there
ça
you
sert à
are.
rien de venir plus tôt.
Let's push on.
On est bien sur la bonne route. Ouais. C'est un drôle d'endroit. Oh, merde! Je me suis fait défoncer.
Take your time, I'll wait. I can use a break anyway.
Aïe aïe aïe. Mais... Est-ce qu'on peut survivre à ce genre de truc? Ça fait peur. Attention, j'espère. Aïe aïe aïe, putain. C'est bon? Ok. Celle de mana. Bon. Alors, ça a quoi comme goût? Renfort d'enchantement. Ok.
Eager to explore, aren't you? Take your time, I'll wait. I can use a break anyway.
Tu sais, je m'éloigne pas beaucoup, hein, pourtant.
So these are the puppets the bards have been singing about.
Ah, c'est ça les pantins.
Interesting to see what some people consider art.
Donc c'est les fameux pantins de l'ancien. C'est un peu flippant. Je suis en train de m'imaginer son manoir rempli de pantins qui nous sautent dessus pour nous attaquer. C'est fermé.
So this is where he lives. Huh. This aged man definitely knows how to make himself comfortable. I guess now it's time to wait for nightfall. We wouldn't want this guy to take the artifact, pay for it, and have us leave right away.
On attend la nuit? D'accord.
Alright. I think that's enough. Now let's see how we can get in there. These busts look interesting.
Je vais peut-être me changer. Voilà, ça paraît un peu plus discret ça. Encore. Qu'est-ce qu'on fait? J'espère. Ah, c'est ça la sonnerie.
Yes? What do you want?
Que votre marche soit bénie, mes sœurs. Est-ce que vous êtes...
I'm the servant, so no, I'm not. And if you're looking for charity, you've come to the wrong place.
Nous ne sommes pas des mendiants, nous sommes des marchands. Et nous avons entendu dire que votre maître est un collectionneur. Nous pensons que nous avons quelque chose qui pourrait l'intéresser.
Do you now? So what could two traveling merchants dressed in rags have that might be of interest to my master?
Eh bien, nous avons ceci.
This is the silver brooch of a seraph. Where did you get this?
C'est sans importance. Ce qui compte, c'est que je veux le vendre, non?
Uh-huh. Well then, this changes the situation. You may enter. Plus, forgive my harshness. I misjudged you.
On peut pas. Ok. Allons-y.
Unfortunately, Master Gages is currently playing music, and will be at least until dawn. But you can make yourself comfortable in the guest room. He will see to you in the morning.
Okay, that sounds good. Today we wouldn't have made it back to Ark anyway. Just try to get a Myrid Warden to fly in this weather. So, nice house you've got here. So it's just you and your master who live here, right? People talk about him a lot.
Please, let's just save the small talk. You're here for business.
Eh, ferme ta gueule, j'espère.
Good. Now follow me upstairs. I'll show you to your quarters. As I said already, Master Gages will play through the night. My apologies if his music keeps you awake. But if you want a piece of advice, listen. You won't hear anything comparable in all of Vin.
Well, then we'll do just that. So I take it your master's an artist, right? I saw the puppets. They're interesting.
Interesting. Yes, that they are. Master Gages always says art is unique because it allows us to see what our mind doesn't want us to see.
What's that supposed to mean?
Well, we all have demons inside of us, don't you agree, Miser Dalvaric? Memories, truths about ourselves we've locked away somewhere in our unconscious because we don't want to confront them. True art surpasses all these barriers because it reminds us of who we truly are.
Interesting thought.
All right, here we are. Make yourselves at home. I will inform you once the Master is ready to see you. By the way, call it intuition or premonition, but I somehow had the feeling we would have company tonight, and took the liberty of preparing a small meal. I'm afraid the meat is a little charred, but it should taste good. Now, please excuse me. I have to rest. It is late, and the day has been exhausting.
Of course.
De la
Sleep well.
viande brûlée.
And thanks for your hospitality.
You're welcome.
De la viande brûlée. C'est sans doute une très très bonne blague, ça. Hop, ça, on l'a déjà vu. La viande brûlée, comme dans notre première vision avec notre papa.
And there he goes. Call me paranoid, but this all went a little too smooth for my liking.
Ouais, je suis plutôt d'accord. Il y a quelque chose de bizarre à propos de ce gars.
Yeah. For example, the fact that he was already standing near the gate when you rang, and that he lives with a man who's older than the Black Guardian, at least according to the legends. But, well, to each his own.
Alors on fait quoi maintenant? On attend?
Yeah, 1 or 2 hours at least, until this servant's asleep. I've got a skin of wine with me, so if you want we could enjoy it in the meantime. I wouldn't touch this food if I were you.
Oui, je pense que
You
j'aurais
can
fait
tell me
pareil.
about this trial while we're waiting.
Oui.
Or about anything, just distract me from those damn ugly puppets over there. Interesting thought. The thing about the last moment that lasts forever. Did you know that Kyrian mentalists are apparently able to sort of become aware in their dreams? And apparently, in a dream, one can exist free from time. There's a story about an Arcanist who spent 1,000 years in a dream while he only slept 8 hours in his waking life. But, well, that's a topic on its own. I think it's late enough for our little excursion now. Let's find that relic. There it is.
Allez, c'est
Master
parti.
Gaius' music that transcends all barriers. As jolly as this place.
Je crois qu'on est en train de se foutre de notre gueule. La viande brûlée, cette musique jouée au piano, qui ressemble étrangement à ce qu'on avait entendu dans notre première vision. Ça sent pas bon. Pas bon du tout. Allez. Faut qu'on se bouge. Manuel des rêves et des visions. Eh. Je pense qu'on est vraiment en train de se foutre de notre gueule. Je le prends. Bon, perdons pas trop de temps. La famine. Oh, une bourse. Allez, si on n'a rien vu. Récolte. Chercher le salut. Qu'est-ce qu'il faut qu'on fasse exactement? Oui. On va chercher quoi. Ils vont brûler. On a besoin d'une clé. Pareil. D'accord, ok. Donc à l'étage, il n'y a rien. J'ai l'impression que la musique elle vient de là-bas. Il y a une porte ouverte. Je sais pas si c'est une bonne idée d'aller dans cette direction en premier.
Books, books, books. There must be hundreds.
Ouais. Ah! Parchemin vierge. Hop. Potion de mana. Oh, peut-être que ça peut être intéressant. Pas de compromis. Effectivement. Je pense que notre hôte a des goûts particuliers quand même. Des goûts particuliers. Il s'intéresse beaucoup à la magie. Le Saint-Ordre. Ah, ben voilà. Je vais me faire une petite bibliothèque avec tout ça. La côte des fermiers. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? La lumière blanche brillera dans tes yeux. Bon, ici, il n'y a rien. Ce qui nous force à aller ici. Je ne suis pas rassuré. Ah,
That
il n'y a
looks like some
personne.
kind of study. Maybe we could find something here.
Livre d'apprentissage. Oh. J'ai fait quelque chose? Non? Ça a fait quelque chose. Mais j'entends un truc, mais est-ce que ça fait...
Maybe we should take a look at these bookshelves. They look kind of weird.
Ouais. Rien ne se passe. Rien. Peut-être qu'il faut activer plusieurs livres. Non, mais il fait pas le même bruit à chaque fois. Bon. Ah, il y en a plusieurs. Ok. Et ça doit avoir un rapport avec l'histoire de Vin, peut-être? Qu'est-ce qui a provoqué la chute des Pyréens? Donc ça,
These books must be part of some kind of mechanism.
ouais.
Have you tried, I don't know, pulling on them or something like that?
Attends, on se calme. Azatoron.
That sounds good. Hey!
Oh merde. Bon bah on a plus de Jespar. Ouf, ça sent pas bon. Il y a un bouton. Est-ce que c'est une bonne idée? Eh oh!
Gages, why did you wake me? Are we there yet?
Non, je voulais juste savoir si vous alliez bien.
Oh, you did? Oh, that's kind of you. But don't worry so much about me, darling. I'll manage somehow. I'm sorry you have to go through all this, really. All this time, I can hardly imagine how hard that must be for you. But I still believe in our dream. I still do.
Je crains qu'il faille utiliser ce bouton. Oh, reculer. Non, mais j'ai pas le choix. Qu'est-ce que ça nous mène? Bon. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Donc ce serait ça la parole des morts? D'accord. Moi je trouve qu'on l'a trouvé un peu trop facilement. Vous sentez un fourmillement dans vos mains alors qu'il s'approche de la boîte. Je peux pas la prendre? Peut-être qu'il faut que j'utilise... que je tape dessus? Non? Peut-être utiliser la magie. Ah bah oui, il faut que j'invoque le Pyréen, c'est vrai. Ouvrir. Oula. Ok. Ah, ça a marché. On est dans ses souvenirs maintenant. Eh oh.
Who?
Ah,
By the highest being, you! I thought you were dead.
qui est-ce?
Jakal. He betrayed us. They're all dead.
What?
Yes, but it doesn't matter. We have to get away from here. His armies, they're everywhere, and they're killing everyone. What about Lilanya? Is she alright?
Yes, she's asleep. But where do you want to go? We're... Come on, get inside. We'll talk about it there. Our brother, he's here too. He arrived last night.
Kumar? I thought he was up north.
He was, yes. But he rode back when he heard about the siege. He wants to help defend the city. He will be angry when he finds out that you fled, you know?
Staying would have been suicide. He would understand.
Kumar, our...
I see it. Why are you here?
The Treasure Master betrayed us, and Jakal's troops have gone crazy. They're massacring their entire city. They said we...
I know that, but you didn't answer my question. Why are you here?
Where else should I be, damn it? The High Ones won. They won, and this accursed cleansing will happen, whatever it is. But if there's only the slightest chance that we can make it through, I will use it. Unlike you, I do have someone I need to take care of.
Let's hope she doesn't take after her father. Your cowardice disgusts me, brother. You never understood what it meant to be an Aishin.
I knew that would happen.
He's such a bulldog. For him, there's nothing but his goddamn honor.
At least since he lost Yalek, yes. He won't let us flee. You do realize that, right? He will force you to keep your oath, to stay and fight. To the death.
I will talk to him. We'll do this, sister. Somehow.
Yes, of course we will. There's still some stew. I will prepare a bowl for you, all right? You go and look after the little one. I think she is slowly beginning to understand what's happening here.
Je dois chercher le parchemin. Ça doit être dans sa chambre. Bon. Ça doit être dans le coffre. Faut trouver la clé. Ah, c'est ça. Alors mémoriser tout ça, ça va être compliqué.
Kumar, what? Where are you going?
Go and get Peric. We're leaving.
Leaving? But you heard him. The city is lost.
Well, isn't that good timing? I have been thinking, and I have decided that I will not let my only brother die as a deserter. We will ride to the city at first light and help with the defense.
That's not going to happen. I told you that. Zura and I will take Lelania and flee to the north. Come with us or don't, but you will not get in our way. Period.
Period. Thank the highest being that we're family. Just thank God.
Kill them! Kill them all!
Oi, oi, oi.
Oh, by the name of the sun, do something, Peric. Keep them out of here.
Mais Comment je vais faire ça, moi?
Damn it!
Ouf. C'est fini. Oh mon dieu. Ah.
Do you really think you can stop us? For every one of us you kill, a dozen more will come.
No, please. I don't want any of this. No one wants any of this. Just let us go. I have a daughter.
Oh putain.
So, I hope you slept well.
Comment est-ce que je suis arrivé ici?
Well, what do you think? I brought you here. After you broke into my sanctum and made your little journey into the realm of the dead. Oh, please, don't look at me like that. I knew what you were up to from the start. Sadly enough, I did.
Vous saviez pour notre plan? Je comprends pas.
No, you don't. Because you don't dare to question. Peculiar situation, all of this, isn't it? Suddenly you, the fugitive urchin, become mankind's salvation. And suddenly, just like that, out of nowhere, you can perform feats others would require decades to master. Even better, you're one of the emissaries who can hear the echo of the future. But still, you never asked yourself why.
Eh bien, au moins vous semblez avoir des réponses.
You're right, I do. But if there's one thing time has taught me, there are things one has to realize for him or herself. You can't force insight on people. It has never worked, and it never will.
Comment est-ce que vous savez tout ça? Qui êtes-vous vraiment?
Who am I? Back then, I might have given you an impressive response to that. But at this time, I couldn't say anything that would help you. Let's just say, I'm an observer. A fleshless eye, if you prefer. In this era, you might also know me as the Aged Man.
D'après les légendes, l'ancien est vieux de plusieurs siècles. Vous ne me paraissez pas si vieux.
Yes, and I'm certain that irritates you. But timelessness isn't that much of a feat. You will find that out yourself, soon enough, too.
Et qu'est-ce que vous observez? Le cycle?
Amongst other things, yes, the cycle.
Bon, calmons un peu les devinettes, et je pourrais peut-être vous comprendre.
Believe me, all I say is quite thought through. But unfortunately, there's no point in pursuing this conversation any further. You have what you came for, and the rest is up to you. Even though I doubt it will make much of a difference.
Qu'est-ce que c'est censé vouloir dire? Qu'on ne peut pas arrêter le cycle, la purge?
Maybe you could do just that, but time will tell. Now, forgive me.
Attends. Où est-ce qu'on est? Ah! La porte du manoir a disparu? Ou alors c'est le manoir entier? Qu'est-ce que c'est que ce truc? Ah ouais, le manoir a disparu.
You. But what the heck was that? Where's the manor?
C'est dur à expliquer. Mais je vais vous raconter.
Try me. Any explanation's better than none. Uh-huh. That sounds strange, to say the least. After you went down that shaft, someone locked the door to the study, and I couldn't get it open, no matter what I tried. Well, a couple hours later, I found myself face down in a puddle of mud. But anyway, these glyphs you drew on paper look good to me. So at least officially, this mission was a success. I only wish I... You see that?
Quoi?
What's that? A casket? But where's this noise coming from?
Je crois que c'est la parole des morts.
But then the aged man left it on purpose. For us. Maybe I'm jumping to conclusions, but it seems to me as if this fellow knew a lot more than we did from the start. Still, we should take this thing with us. Let's go back to Ark and report to the Grand Master. I've got a scroll right here with me. What do you say?
Eh ben, partez devant, je vais jeter un coup d'œil.
Well then, see you back at the temple.
Bon, je crois qu'il n'y a rien de plus à voir. Rentrons.
Here we are. I suggest you go inside and tell the Grand Master what happened. Then give him the casket. I'll go grab my pay now, and then I'll head back to the tavern. I guess I need a good pipe. For some reason, I can't get these puppets out of my head. They remind me of something. Though I don't know what exactly. Anyway, see you around.
Bon, allez, à plus. Nous on va se débarrasser de nos affaires en trop là.
Blessed. Move along.
Prophet?
Et alors?
Prophet, were you successful?
Oui, mais les choses se sont passées de manière relativement imprévue.
Then tell me. So he knew about the cycle. That's disquieting and interesting.
En plus, il nous a laissé la parole des morts, volontairement.
Yes, maybe that's an attempt to help us. He's not against us, because if he were, he wouldn't have let you out alive.
Malgré tout, il en savait bien plus qu'il ne voulait le dire.
I bet that the Lightborn also knew more about the aged man than they told us. This explains why Malphas told the Order specifically not to bother him. But we will discuss his identity another time. What matters is that you were able to find the missing glyphs, and that we now have this relic, however useful it will be in the future. Bring both of them to the Archmagister, so that we can activate the Sigil Stone. Oh, and one more thing. What did the Pyreans in your memory call those behind the cleansing? The High Ones?
Oui, c'est ça. Ça doit être ceux que nous avons vus dans ce rêve. Ceux qui sont derrière le cycle.
Good. Then the enemy has a name now. Come back to me once you've talked to Maragil. Pegast still needs your help.
Ok. Et ben, on va s'arrêter là pour cette fois-ci. Je vous remercie d'avoir regardé l'épisode jusqu'au bout. Et puis je vous dis à bientôt dans le prochain épisode. Allez, à plus. 26 tirs d'as de l'étoile estivale, 8234. J'en sais désormais un peu plus sur le plan mis en place par le Saint-Ordre pour faire face à la purge. Les recherches menées par l'Icheri Pegast portaient sur des fragments de pierre qui, rassemblés et soumis à un rituel, permettraient de lutter face aux démons de la purge. Avec Gespard, nous avons été menés sur la piste des mots employés durant le rituel. L'objectif a été de rentrer dans la mémoire d'un Pyréen, dont le corps a été conservé au temple depuis un long moment déjà, grâce à un artefact appelé la Parole des Morts. Un artefact détenu dans le manoir d'un homme appelé l'Ancien. Nous nous sommes introduits dans son manoir et avons employé l'artefact pour récupérer les informations que nous cherchions. À mon réveil, le manoir avait disparu. Je crois que je m'en souviendrai longtemps. Ce manoir et son hôte étaient dotés d'une énergie mystérieuse et lugubre. Je crois que cet ancien cache bien des secrets. Des secrets peut-être même très importants. Mais peut-être aussi ne le saurons-nous jamais.